Hi guys, welcome to another video for HTML and CSS, but not CSS yet. So let's open up a Sublime Text index.html file, and let's write the code that you need for in any HTML file. If you installed Emmet the other day, this should happen automatically, but if you didn't, don't worry, you can just copy and paste this from my screen or just watch the video on how to install Emmet. So just type exclamation point and tab, and here it is. I'm gonna explain what all this means now. So this exclamation point doc type HTML basically means that this is an HTML file. This HTML lang equals en means it's in English, basically en. The head is basically all of the stuff to load, it basically is the title, what this file is linked to, kind of stuff like that. So this is basically that stuff. This is the character set, so it's what characters you use when typing, basically. Yeah, this is the title of the document, and this is basically how big the actual project is. So you can see width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0. So that basically means that's how big this is. So, and then the head, yeah, and then that's closing the head, and then this is the body. The body is where you're gonna put most of your HTML stuff, and yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to make a tag and the different types of tags there are. So, tags are usually like this. So you put something here and then you put tag name. This is not an actual tag, but I'm just doing this as an example. And then you just put / tag name to end the tag. Anything in here will be affected by the tag and will be put in the tag. I'm going to show you an example right now. So if we have h2 and then we type in hello world, and then we save, and then we just reload our document, we can see hello world comes up here. H2 is a header to tag. A header tag is basically a header. So basically it can be used as a big title or just something at the start of the page or something that's the title of a news report or something like that. There are also different types of headers. Headers go from H1 to H6, H1 being the biggest header and H6 being the smallest. So I'm just gonna show you how big they're. I'm gonna copy that. Okay, so we have that, and then so as you can see, H6 is considerably smaller than H1 here. Okay. So the next tag I want to teach you is the img tag or image tag. All you have to do is go here and then you have to do image, right? Or if you have the Emmet installed, then all you have to do is img and then press tab. You put the src is your image file location. So in my case, my image is in the same folder as index.html, which basically means all I have to put here is the image name, and I just put mine as 1.jpg. What you can do is install the image from the internet and then just rename it. The alt is basically if the image doesn't load, or you maybe entered the URL not properly, or the src isn't a true src that the computer sees, then the alt is what loads in. If we now load this and save it and then reload the page, we can see that we have hello world and a nice image of a tree. Now let's say I messed this up. Say I put 14 instead of a 1. Then it doesn't load because I don't have an image named 14.jpg in my downloads folder. This is basically all I'm going to teach you today. If you didn't understand anything, you can go back and rewind the video and watch, or just search stuff up on the internet. A good website is w3schools.com. I also learned a lot of the tags and stuff from there myself, so you could go there, or just rewind the video or watch different videos, I guess. I don't know. So, yes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where I teach you other tags like the link tag and stuff like that.